Loaded. FX4, 4x4, 4-wheel drive, Platinum Edition, Technology Package, 360-degree view camera, Adaptive Cruise Control with Collision Warning, Tailgate Step, 3.5 liters EcoBoost Tiwn Turbocharged V6, Twin Panel Sunroof, Pro Trailer Backup Assist, Spray and Bedliner, Tonneau cover, Navigation, Sync 3 Voice Activated Bluetooth System, 20-inch polished alloy wheels, Remote Start, Blind Spot Monitoring System, Power Deploying Running Boards, and much more. With any questions and to take advantage of this internet special, please contact Jeremiah Wright. Ask him about financing, extended service plan, or an auto check history report and Carfax. Please call us to check availability and to schedule a test drive. Prices do not include G8 of tag, or title. Must print ad to receive quoted price and signed by Internet Manager. X_. Subject to prior sale. Not responsible for typographical errors or VIN-generated errors. Please visit our home website to view a free auto check history report and Carfax.